Hey guys, what's up? Kirby Smith Lightspeed Construction here with you today in Knoxville, Tennessee, 37922 on a Saturday. Checking on non-functioning roof ventilation. You can tell these are going to be from circa before 2011 because we got the 2011 hail damage on these guys. Won't replace then. I'm actually going to predate them probably to the original install of the house, just based on all the rust on these screws and kind of the look. I'm gonna guess these things are 40 years old because this house was built, I believe, in 1981 is what I heard. Also got a 1981 chimney cap. This guy is definitely gonna be a candidate to be replaced before this staining water starts to come over and stain. You can see that's already happened in a few places. Also, it is in extremely poor shape. Could cause leaks, rusted out, holes about to rust through this guy. Hoping that's not a hole. Okay, good, no hole there. Yeah, so new chimney cap, definitely warranted. My owner had asked me to check out a couple of other things. There'd been a contractor up here caulking like some nails. That feels fine. Caulking this stuff. This looks kind of like poor repair workmanship, right? Because we still got a nail poking out here. We can address that. So that's just kind of quick work. Got busy with the caulk. That's cool. But I don't see any problems with any of the pipe boots. This is going to be a pipe boot. There was a mention that this thing might be rotten somewhere, and I don't see it. I don't know what they were mentioning. Shingles install, roof looks pretty darn good. No gripes there too much. So I think we're okay there. I got two pipe boots down there and down there, and both of them don't appear to have any sort of rotten nothing. So I think we're okay. So really, what we would recommend is a new chimney cap, because that guy needs to get replaced, and then two new vents for the roof. And I recommended the customer to talk to her HVAC installer and make sure there's no chance that a circuit's missing, because both of these things are tied to the same circuit. So we need to make sure that the circuit's turned on appropriately. I played around with the thermostat, made sure the thermostat wasn't an issue on these vents. But we want this air getting pulled out of this attic space because there's HVAC that's kind of superheating the attic. The HVAC, the equipment gets very hot in the attic space, makes it real humid, real damp, and so we want to get that cooled and kind of a little bit more fresh moving air through here. So anyway, that's kind of the universal recommendations. No pipe boots, most likely two power vents, and then a chimney cap. Guys, thanks so much. Have a great weekend. My name's Kirby Smith. I appreciate y'all watching.